Yo, what's good with y'all, man? Today I'm coming at you with this unboxing slash performance review. Got some new lights in, so see what these Jones do. Let's get it. Alright, yeah, so just to give y'all a little background info or whatever, basically for everything I be doing, bruh, like, you can go and buy some lights. You can get lights anywhere, obviously, but two reasons why you don't do that. One, a lot of lights that you just get at like a store, Walmart, dollar store, because you know you can get lights anywhere. A lot of them will tend to flicker when on camera. You know what I'm saying? Because all lights flicker, but they flicker so fast that our human eye doesn't catch it. But behind the lens, you'll see that shit. You'll see the junk flicker. So like video lights like these are specifically made to, they probably do still flicker, honestly don't know, but the flicker doesn't get caught on camera. That's the thing. So yeah, that's number one. Number two is, I think I just mentioned it, you gotta plug them up. So you would have to have a power bank or something like that. With these bad boys, I can cop batteries. Just keep them on deck, you feel me? So anywhere, literally anywhere. That's what we got. Dope. So, immediately out the box, tough little case, you know what I'm saying? I'm really happy to get this actually. Back to it. Alright. Great video maker. I'm a great video maker. Yes. Bow. We've got power supply, battery or whatever. Not the battery that you plug into it for like mobilely, but the one that goes into the wall. Got two of these. We got the stands right here. And then we got the actual lights. So what's up, Lee? We got the actual lights. Come with this nice little bag. Aww. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. We in this jump. With the diffuser already ready to go. We in this joint. 800D RGB, boy. Let there be light, mother. Yes, sir. What can they tell me? They try to tell me I don't shoot videos. So, I'm gonna get these joints plugged up. See what they do. Nice little case. It's on some nice little fabric too, so cool. Bet. I like this, bro. I like when they got their branding all over everything. Official. You feel me? Ain't no mismatch. That's as warm as it goes to as cold as it goes. Okay. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Colors, boy. Alright, so I got one open up, unboxed, plugged in, ready to go. To show y'all basically the output, I'm gonna put it on the same temperature as my main light over here, and I'm gonna switch them. Well, it fell that quick, but alright, so this is a before, this is the current light, right? I'm gonna clap and it's gonna be the other one. Alright, you see. Alright, ready? So that's the new light. Obviously, it's too bright in here now, but I just wanted y'all to see. So that's like a pink. Dang, that joint is dope. Basically, it's how it works. So you can see the 2 slots for the batteries. Waiting on those to come in still, so we got it plugged up right here. The cool thing is you can actually choose to use batteries or the plug-in from which way you click it. If you have a place to plug it in, you can plug it in and save your battery basically, but no battery, so we gotta go to the right. Alright, so it's on, so you see the screen, and basically it's pretty simple to operate, bro. This is the brightness. You see the brightness go down. Goes down very tiny increments until you get here. See what I'm saying? But that's that. Let's switch the temperatures. Make it a little warmer. You know what I'm saying? Make it back colder. And then up here, we've got the mode. This is how you're gonna get to your colors and settings and all of that. See, so the hue, you see it change. That's how you select your colors. So really, 360 degree, you really got 360 different colors. Oh, my fault, they go by 5s. But that's a lot of freaking colors. You know what I'm saying? Just to cycle through real quick. You see it, and then even here, you can still go and adjust the saturation, and that's going to change your color too. See what I'm saying? That, turn the saturation up. It's going to get, that's down. Turn it up. It's going to get more and more blue. There you go. So, yeah, eventually when you set up both of these joints, you can achieve some pretty dope looks with 2 different lights. So, should be some slight. Something like that, you feel me? Boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? That's pretty dope. Coming a little closer. Obviously, when I have the stand set up, it's just there, but it's actually bright as a motherfucker. Saying outdoors, pitch black, it don't matter no more. We lit. Yes, sir. So that's the light unboxing. GVM 800D RGBs. They've got the bi-color, warm, cold, as well as different hues, saturation. So you get plenty of color combinations. Jones clutch because of the mobility. You know what I'm saying? They're plugged in right now, but the batteries go right here. And you shooting in the field, you know what I'm saying? What is nighttime? We shooting wherever. What you mean? We shooting wherever. Gang, you know what it is, man. Subscribe. I got many more tutorials coming. All type of ish. Let's get it.